Yeah, hi friends. So today we are going to discuss about how we can access a target system. Okay, or this is more or less the session where we I will explain you how you can target a system and gaining the complete access, and you can get the whatever the information on that system without knowing the user. Okay, so in this session let's start with the first understand the problem statement. What exactly the problem statement? So here we are using three terminologies. So A stands for the attacker machine and T stands for the target machine. So we have two machines. One is an attacker machine, T stands for the target machine. And in this session, whatever the things that I'm going to explain, you don't I would request you don't try on your local on your personal system. It Because it is impacting the entire network or your system. Instead of sometime you are going for the targeting any machine and you will become the target. So keep in mind that don't whenever you install the things, it will be on your own risk. And one more suggestion: please don't install these systems or application on any of the organization network, because it will causes a financial loss or a reputational loss for an organization. So I would suggest, if you want to do this, you should perform it on a separate network like VM machines or something. So in this video, I am just giving you the hands up. Basically, I have done this activity on one of my VM machine, but anyhow I cannot show you on the VM machine, but I will share you the step and the process where you can follow. So let's start with this one. So this is my target machine. In this target machine, what I have done, I have installed a software that name is Thief. uh, in the red color I already have written that don't install in your machine, otherwise you will become the victim of some you are the target instead of the attacking to any system. Okay, so here I have one software Thief. In this machine, you first of all you'll download this. That will be a zip file, then you will extract it. Okay, now this is the first step. In the second step, in the target machine, what you have to do? In the target machine, first of all you need to share one executable. So in the next session I'll tell you how you can create the executable target virus, so that well, not virus, Trojan, though, so that you can send to your friend or share with your friend. As your friend double click on that whatever the targeted exe that you have prepared, uh, then only you will be accessing the system. Okay, so in that case, whether in the system the firewall is active, it's on or off, it doesn't matter. It works in both the scenarios, but the point is, in the target machine the user will be double click on that. So now as the user so I'm assuming I shared one target machine to the user, and the user clicked on that. As he clicked, his system is compromised. So now how you can get and how you can access it, in the next step I'm going to explain here. So the fun thing is, in this video I will not I'm not telling you and I'm not disclosing you that how you will be getting the IP address of that machine. Okay, in this video, in this PPT or in this perspective, what I am assuming that I have already the available IP address of the user. And what you need to do, you need to just mention the IP address on this pop-up, that is when you double clicked on the Thief client, and then you have to input the port and FTP. So one thing, port and FTP will remain same. You have no need to modify, you have to just specify the IP address of your target machine. So now as you clicked on that, so what happened, I just take an example, I just enter the IP address. As you click on this one, you will be getting that the connection is accepted and you are able to connect with the target machine. So now as you clicked on this in the target machine, you are able to when you then after you will click to get the PC information of that machine. You can get the information. If you double click on this OS information tab, so you will get the OS information. If you want to click the network information, you can click on the network information, so you will get the information of the network itself. So there are some more things that this tool can perform, but right now I for some of the reason I cannot demonstrate those things to you. But I will just tell you, when you click on this keylogger, this is when you double click on that, one pop-up will be open where you can send any of the any of you can any of the exe process. You can send the keylogger and you can get and start the keylogger over here, so that you can get the information whatever the user, the target machine is typing or writing, so that you can get the information. So hope you will have a little bit better picture. So that's why we say we have to be very conscious while installing the softwares, because when we download anything from the internet, it can be that you will become the victim of some people. So be conscious on that. So this video is just to aware that or just to give you the information that how the hackers or how the people will be getting or stealing the information on your on your systems. So hope you will be understand whenever you will log in your system, just for the safe perspective, you have to be check what are the process running on the system. In the next video we will be doing some more hands-on practice, and keep learning that. Thank you.